Hey you guys, what's up? So today we are going to be unboxing this month's Boxycharm base box. And unfortunately, my mail carrier decided to slap that sticker right on the front where you can't see the logo. And I tried to peel it off, you guys, and it's just taking the logo off with it. So I was like,
you know what? I'm just gonna leave it there.
But I do want to put a little disclaimer at the beginning of this video that Boxycharm did send me this box to try. All right, so jumping into this month's Boxycharm base box, we have the product card, and this month's theme is Boxy Spring Revival. The first product in this month's Boxycharm base box is the Sour Ya Doin' palette by Thebriabeauty. And you guys, this palette is so cute. Loving the packaging, and the inside is even more gorgeous. Can we talk about it? So pretty. And I have this on my eyes today, and I definitely want to swatch these for you guys just so you can see how pigmented and buttery they really are. Okay, so I'm just going to do a few of these. And then let's do this little orange shade right here. So look at that, you guys, how stunning. And then I'm just gonna put them on the back of my hand here. Sorry about my nails, they're like so crappy looking. They're also dyed blue. And then let's put the orange right here. Super pretty palette, as you guys can see. And this palette is so perfect for the spring and summer. The Thebriabeauty Sour Ya Doin' eyeshadow palette retails for $38. Next in this month's box, we have the Christophe Robin Instant Volumizing Leave-In Mist. And you guys, I do have another bottle of this that came in a previous box, and I absolutely love this product. When my hair is damp from getting out of the shower, I'll just spray this in, blow dry my hair, and it gives me that volume that I'm looking for. The Christophe Robin Instant Volumizing Leave-In Mist retails for $39. Next in the box, we have this Imovie Lash Snack Lengthening Mascara, and this is Addison Rae's brand. And this is a flake-free, smudge-proof lengthening mascara that is packed full of nourishing kind of lash boosters. And I really love the wand on this, you guys. It's more of a stiff wand, and the teeth or the little bristles are more like a comb, so it really coats every single lash. And normally when I apply mascara, my lashes kind of clump together or stick together. And with this wand, they did not do that. Seriously, so amazing. The Imovie Lash Snack Lengthening Mascara retails for $15. Next in this month's Boxycharm box, we have the Pure Heals Real Rose Petal Sleeping Mask. And this is such a pretty little mask. I cannot wait to try it out. And this sleep mask has real rose petals and rose water to really revitalize and moisturize the skin while you sleep. The Pure Heals Real Rose Petal Sleeping Mask retails for $55. Last but not least, in this month's Boxycharm box, we have another product that I have tried before. This is the Persona Black Eyeliner. And you guys, this eyeliner is so amazing. It's waterproof, so it's perfect for the waterline area. And it is just so pigmented and so black. I love it. The Persona Cosmetics 24-hour waterproof eye pencil retails for $14. Well, that is it, you guys, for this month's Boxycharm base box. Boxycharm is such a great way to find out about brands or products that you might not have known about before, and such a great way to just kind of grow your skincare, hair care, or makeup collection. Also, you can go to Boxycharm.com and take the beauty quiz, which kind of lets Boxycharm curate or personalize your box to make it more customized and catered to what you need. You also have the option to choose 3 products depending on your membership. And who doesn't love getting porch presents every single month? And if you want to help your girl out a little bit, you can use my code in the description box below. I just want to say a big thank you to Boxycharm for sending me this box to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very soon. Bye, you guys.